Hey everyone, on today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the classic cocktail, the Martinez. Welcome back once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the classic cocktail, the Martinez. While the origins of this drink are mostly unknown, we do know that the city of Martinez, California, lays claim to it, hence the name. We also know it first appeared in cocktail books in the 1880s. Otherwise, we don't exactly know who first invented it. People have laid claim to it. Is it theirs? I don't know. What I do know is I love the drink. You're going to enjoy it as well. I've actually never made it myself. I've had it multiple times when I've been out and about. It's a great cocktail. I'm positive you're going to enjoy it as well. To start this drink, we're actually going to chill our coupe glass. We have ice in that already. We'll set that to the side. We'll take our mixing glass, already filled with ice. We're going to use 1.5 ounces of gin. We're going to use the Botanist here. We're big fans of that on the channel. 1.5 ounces of our dry gin. There are variations of this drink over the years. Some of them say you have to use Old Tom Ford. I think it's Old Tom gin. We don't have that. We're going to use the Botanist. Again, it's a great gin. We like it here. We're also going to use 1.5 ounces of our Sweet Vermouth. Remember, we tell you this all the time. Chill your vermouth once you open it. This came out of the fridge. Don't worry. 1.5 ounces of our Sweet Vermouth. Why do you chill it when you open it? It's wine, guys. It's fortified wine. You wouldn't leave a bottle of wine open on the counter for a month and then drink it, but you can do that with a bottle of vermouth as long as it's in your fridge. We're going to use 1/4 ounce of our Luxardo Liqueur, our Maraschino Liqueur. We don't get a lot of chances to use this. Always happen when I can break this bottle out. Only 1/4 ounce though, so this stuff lasts quite a while. It's very sweet. Here we go. And then the recipe calls for 2 dashes of Angostura Bitters. I'm actually out of Angostura Bitters. I'm kind of embarrassed to say that as a cocktail guy. I have a large selection of bitters here, so what we're going to try is something I've read that works. Never did it before. So first we're going to use some Fee Brothers old-fashioned aromatic bitters. This stuff's great. I know for sure. I've used it a lot. Do 2 dashes of that. That was about 3. We'll call that right. And then I've read that you can actually put an orange peel in your shaker or your mixing glass. We're going to strain it out. But by putting it in there, you get some of the aromatics out of the oil from the peel. And it kind of works, hopefully, almost as if it was an orange bitter. So we'll go ahead and give this a few stirs. Why are we stirring and not shaking? We've said this before, guys. If there's no fruit juices, you almost always stir it and don't shake it. If it's fruit juice, you shake it. If it's not, you stir it. Okay, go ahead and dump our ice out of our now chill glass. We'll go ahead and strain this into our coupe. Love the colors of this one. It's pretty close to a perfect pour there. Waste not, want not, right? And for our garnish, we're going to use an orange twist. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Cheers. Oh, absolutely lovely. Guys, if you like a Manhattan, I would say this is kind of like maybe the grown-up Manhattan or a twist on a Manhattan. I've also been told it's kind of the origins of the Martini as well. It's kind of hard to think, but you got the gin, you got Sweet Vermouth instead of regular dry vermouth. So you can kind of see how it got there as well. But man, this is a fantastic drink, guys. I'm going to finish this one off camera. Please go ahead, like the video, leave a comment below, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.
Oops, I hit that.